Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video, I will take a look at how to use the Avada one-page text link element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The one-page text link element is another simple element that allows you to add an anchor link anywhere on your page. This connects with an anchor ID somewhere else on the page, created for example with the menu anchor element, allowing the user to click a link and scroll to a particular spot. The Avada landing product page Prebuilt is a one-page site and as such has anchor links in the main menu that scroll to the various anchor IDs created with the menu anchor element. But we can also add an anchor link in the body text using the one-page text link element. So for this example, I will create an anchor link that will connect with the video anchor ID further down the page. I'll just scroll to the overview section and add some text in here. I'll just write, "See our videos below." I can then select the word videos, and through the inline editor I can go to the plus symbol and choose the one-page text link element from the inline elements. All I have to do now is just enter the anchor name with a hashtag at the front into the name of anchor field. In this case it's hashtag videos, and this creates a link on the page which will now scroll down to the video section when clicked. I'll just go into preview and click on the link. And as we can see, it then scrolls down to the content directly below the video menu anchor element. On the front end, of course, you don't see the menu anchor element. For navigation and in conjunction with the menu anchor element, this is a very useful element indeed, to scroll to various parts of your page. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos, and if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.